Today we will discuss about a small topic about Linux system programming. This is very fundamental in Linux system programming. It is nothing but why is Linux widely used in embedded systems. See, nowadays in the market so many operating systems are there like Windows, Mac and Linux. Why everyone are choosing? Why everyone are choosing Linux only? We will see this one. Okay, you might have already heard that Linux is everywhere, not only servers, desktops, but also embedded systems like smartphones, routers, smart TVs, and IoT device. This is why it is has too much popularity. Linux, we will see. Okay, we'll see the features of the Linux one by one. Yeah. First one, it's open source and free. Second, portability and hardware support. Third, multitasking and management. Fourth, networking and security. Fifth, community. We will see each feature one by one. Okay. Now, first one. Yeah. It is open source and free. See, Linux is open source. It means the source code. What? The source code of Linux is freely available in websites. So we can easily download, we can easily customize, no need to pay a single amount for Linux. You can use Linux easily. See, that's why no costly license compared to other commercial active RTOS and properties of OS. Linux is a license free. That's why companies nowadays, all companies like Linux because we can customize too for our devices and save huge costs and save huge costs. See, let's say you want to use operating system in your product. You have multiple options like Microsoft, Linux, OS. Okay. So you want so first what you have to do, you need source code of operating system, right? So first step, you, let's say you are using Microsoft operating system in your device. What you have to do, you have to contact them, you have to ask them for source code. For that giving, you have to pay something, some X amount, right? So if you choose Linux, no need to pay anything. So that's why it is open source and free. Okay, I will tell you one more example. Think about our Android phone. Okay, Android is built on the top of the Linux only. Okay, see our Android phones are there na. It is built on the top of Linux kernel and it's free. Imagine, just imagine how expensive phones would be if every manufacturer had to buy an Microsoft or OS license. It will be too costly, right? So that's why all are choosing Linux is one of the future. And second, yeah, portability and hardware support. We will see. See, Linux supports multiple architecture in the market. See, we know, right? Architectures, ARM architecture, x86, PowerPC, RISC-V, etc. These all architectures our Linux supports. And one more thing, it is a portable. So we can port from one architecture to another architecture, and already huge collection of device drivers are already available. So you no need to develop from scratch. You can use directly. So that's why it is one of the future. It's a portability and hardware support. Okay. Next, third feature, multitasking and process management. Multitasking and process management. See, nowadays, every device comes with multiple tasks are there in that, right? This is because of OS. This is because of OS. We are achieving multitasking. See here the point. Embedded device today are not simple. Not simple. They run multiple tasks at once. Means we can run n number of tasks. N number of tasks. We can run n number of tasks at a time. At a time. It means we can run multiple while ones. We can run multiple while ones at a time. This while one will do one task, means reading sensor data, and this while one will do taking decisions of this sensor data, like that. We can create multiple tasks by using OS. And one more thing, this powerful scheduler is there. Linux have powerful scheduler, memory management, and multitasking support is there. Okay, that's why Linux have too much advantage than other operating systems. Okay, next one, networking and security. Okay, see, in Linux already the developers develop already built-in network stacks are already present in the Linux, like TCP/IP, sockets, firewalls. They are already present in the source code. So that's why most IoT gateways and routers use Linux. Okay, because networking is already there and tested and reliable. Okay, see, the networking stack is there. No? This already present, already tested and reliable is there. That's why IoT gateways, routers, like we know, right? Wi-Fi routers. This all things uses our Linux. This all things uses Linux because of this thing. Okay, next point. Community. Yeah, here, see, in Linux, a big community is there. See, like while developing a project, you may struck in one point. What to do? What to do? You have to search in Google or ChatGPT, right? Like that, one community is there. If you share that issue in their community, you will get respond very quickly. That kind of community is not there for Windows and Mac OS. There is no community. In Linux, a big community is there, so you can easily solve your issues easily. Okay. And instead of writing your own USB driver from scratch, you can use the one already in Linux kernel. Okay. See, already libraries, tons. See the second point. Tons of tools, libraries, and documentation availability is there. Already everything is there. What's your task is based on your requirement. You can download those libraries and you can implement your task. That's it. So easy to use. So easy to use Linux. And last conclusion. Why Linux only choose it instead of Windows and Mac? What we have to say? It is a widely used in embedded systems because it's open source, portable, multitasking, and future rich, and a huge community support is there. That's why in our embedded systems, in everywhere, Linux we are using. Okay, clear, right? That's it.